Buongiorno, I'm Rick Steves. I'm having a beautiful time on the Cinque Terre and I'm eating well. And I'm in a restaurant called Dau Cila and this is Ferdinando. Ciao.
Hi, nice to meet you.
And I'm with my guide Amy.
Hello.
Amy married into this community almost 20 years ago.
16.
Came to the Cinque Terre, fell in love, and now you're a local. And we are enjoying a quick lunch. And I was just so taken by the bruschetta that I thought Ferdinando could explain. What are we eating here, Ferdinando? Can you explain?
That's all the other
First of all,
bruschetta.
this one.
That's the classic bruschetta with tomato, garlic, olive oil,
See?
oregano, and basil.
Okay.
In dialect it's mishu.
Mishu,
Mishu.
which means
Genova dialect.
dialect.
Mishu.
And what does mishu mean?
Boring.
Boring. So that's the boring one with beautiful oil, though.
Yeah.
Okay, but then we get less boring.
That's betiga.
Uh-huh.
It's a store betiga in dialect.
Oh,
It's a
storm.
store, yes.
Okay.
It's with typical anchovies,
Yes.
dry tomato,
Beautiful.
mozzarella cheese,
Oh, beautiful.
and a little bit olive oil.
Olive oil. And where is the olive oil from?
From here, that's
Yeah.
the
Is that this?
Tajasque olive oil. Yeah.
So Amy was telling me this is, look at that. Okay, so not just any olive oil,
Yes.
local olive oil,
Local olive oil.
0-kilometer.
0-kilometer.
Okay,
Exactly.
and ultimo,
And that's the bruschetta with pesto and
pesto.
pesto. This is
Pesto.
pesto.
Look
That's
at that.
handmade pesto. It's not by
Handmade
the can.
pesto. Ah,
This is from
I love
try.
it. It's good.
It's very sweet. It's very
Pesto was discovered, born, developed in Liguria.
pesto prepared the chef
Yeah.
every day.
How
They
do you make the
coming-
pesto? What is in the pesto?
pesto? Is basil,
See?
Parmigiano cheese,
See?
pine
Pine nuts
nuts, and olive oil.
and delizioso.
Delicioso.
Can you, what is it? Can you go delizioso?
Very,
very good.
Very tasty.
Okay. Buon appetito from the Cinque Terre. Ciao, Federico.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Okay.